All right, taking a look here at standard number 2, we're looking for probability. This is basically a review standard from earlier in the year. Remember, the probability of an event this is theoretical, is the number of outcomes that we want, the desired outcomes, divided by the total number of outcomes. So if I want to know the probability of rolling an even number on a 6-sided die, I go, how many even numbers do I have on a 6-sided die? Well, I have 2, 4, and 6. It's 3 numbers out of, how many total sides do I have? 6. And of course, you know that 3 6 simplifies to 1/2. If you wanted to write it as a percent, you would write this as 50%. Okay. Number 6, drawing a purple from a bag of 40 marbles, 17 of which are purple. The question also tells you that I think 6 are blue, but that's not relevant because we only need to know about the purple if we want the probability of purple. And we have 17 purples, and we divide that by the total number of marbles in the bag, which is 40. 17 divided by 40. That's all we need there, just the fraction. And finally, number 7, drawing a face card from a standard deck of cards. Hopefully you're looking at your test if you're watching this right now, because you need to see the picture of all the cards, unless you're very familiar with the cards. In a standard deck of cards, there are 12 face cards. There's a jack, a queen, and a king from all 4 suits. 3 times 4 is 12. And there are 52 total cards. The main mistake I saw here is some people were telling me 12 out of 40 because they weren't counting the face cards in the total. You still count the desired ones in your total. Just like up here, we still counted all 6 sides, even though 3 of them were the ones we had taken out. Or the ones we had picked as desired, sorry, I should say. All right, so 12 out of 52, you can reduce this. You can divide these both by 4, and that will give you 3 over 13, which you might notice is how many face cards there are per suit. There are 13 cards per suit, and there are 3 of them are face cards. All right, there's standard 2.